Hello, friend. How are you all? So, hope you all are fine. So, welcome to the new session, that a priori algorithm. So, in this session, we will just discuss all about like a priori algorithm. So, what we'll just discuss, we'll just discuss all about like, uh, so what is the source? What is the source of a priori algorithm? Means from where this algorithm came, we will understand first of all. Okay. And next one is what? Next one is like a next one is like a, for what purpose this algorithm can be used. And then after that, we will understand the mathematical intuition part. And then we'll just try to do it practically. Means like we will just implement it practically. Okay. Whether our output is right or wrong. Right? So that's all. So in this today class, so we'll just cover all these things. So hello guys. So this is friend Risha. So welcome to this session. So if you will just like my video, if you will just clearly understand the lecture, so please do subscribe and like and share to your friends. And that's it. So don't waste the time. So let's start from that topic. Okay. So first of all, we'll understand what is the source of a priori algorithm. Means from where we'll get that name called the a priori algorithm. So hence, I think you already know like machine learning. If you like learning the a priori algorithm, it means like you have some idea related to the machine learning, right? So here, this a priori algorithm come from the machine learning only. Okay, so you can say like if you are just learning the DMW, in that book, so this topic is there. So let us understand from where the algorithm came. So hence you know that the machine learning is divided into how many types? Divided into 4 types, right? One is what? One is the supervised. Another one is the unsupervised. Okay, unsupervised. And next one is the semi-supervised. And then last one is what? Reinforcement. Okay, reinforcement. But coming to supervised is again divided into 2 types. One is what? Regression. Another one is the classification, right? Classification. But here, unsupervised divided into next 2 things. One is the what? Clustering. And next one is the association. Next one is what? Association. Associations. Till now clear? Okay. So now here the regression, it deals with like continuous value, classification also deals with some value, and clustering also deal with some value. But here, so we'll just focus to the association part of whom of the that one. Association is the part of the unsupervised learning, and unsupervised learning is the part of the machine learning. Till now clear? Very good. So now here association association the association, so there is a very good algorithm called what? One of the big algorithm known as what? A priori algorithm. A priori algorithm. So it means what? The source of a priori algorithm is here. So now understand. So this is what? This is the a priori algorithm. So from here only you will get the a priori algorithm. It means what? So whenever just you will hear about the association, so the best algorithm which is going to use that one is the a priori algorithm. So now next point is what? So we'll understand what is the purpose. Means from where we will just apply this a priori algorithm. So mostly it is used in, okay, so mostly, let me just change the color. Okay, so this color will be very good. So mostly it is used in like a retailer. Okay, it is used in the retailer. Okay, and then next one. So here, hence this algorithm, this Apriori algorithm is also known as the ARM. So here, what is the ARM? Yes, so association rule mining. Rule mining. So now, so here, so it is also known as the association rule mining. So here, this algorithm generally refers which is used to calculate what? Which is used to calculate the association rule between the two objects. Especially whenever just like going to market to buy something. So in that time, so how the person is like buying the product means like if means your mindset is what you want to just buy a chips. Your mindset is that I will go and buy a chips. But in that time, so if we'll just go to the big bazaar, so they will just keep one offer like, so if we'll just buy the chips value is what? The chip price is like 50 rupees. But if you will just buy the combination, means the combo offer is there. If we'll just buy that chips plus chocolate, then there is a some what? There is a some like offer is there. So it means what? So generally they are just what? So they are just doing one type of marketing. So you are just focusing that what? So yes, so that combination price is very low as compared to if we'll just I will buy that single product, then it will be very high. So as compared to buy that combo part, right? So generally, I think you already like look at that Amazon part and the Flipkart part. Okay, so if I just searching for the single product, so there is a multiple product they are showing like combination combo offer they are showing in the downside. Yes or no? So here. So in that part only, so you are like we are just using the a priori algorithm. It means what? The a priori algorithm is used in that part only, that market basket order. Okay, so if we'll just hear the what called the project call, this one, it means what? This project deals with the a priori algorithm. So here the main role of which algorithm? Main role is the a priori algorithm in this case. Clear? So it means what? So it will calculate the the association rules between objects. Clear? Between the object. So now it means what? It means what? Can you just explain me? Yes. Okay. So if you can't, so just here. Here it means what? It means how two or more objects are related to one another. Means before it. So I'm just giving the example of chips and chocolate. So now you will just assume that. So how this chocolate is related to that chips, or how the chips is related to the chocolate. Clear? It means so what? So if one person is going to buy the chips, so it may be possible that so he can or she can buy the chocolate. So if we'll just create that combo product, okay, maybe if we'll just fix one price, okay, of a price, maybe chances there that combo offer can be like sold. Are you getting what I'm just trying to explain? Okay, so it means what? So here, how two or more objects are related to one another. Now, in other words, you can say that what the Apriori algorithm is an what the association rule learning that analyze that people who bought product A also it will be bought the product B. Are you getting? People who bought product A, okay, if we'll just bought the product A, okay, so if you will just brought the product A, then you have to, but what? So not you have to, you will again bought that also you have to bought the B. Means if you will just buy that combo offer part, so what? So it will that product A as well as the product B. It means what? So here A is nothing but the chips and B is nothing but the chocolate. Are you getting what I'm just trying to explain? Yes. Are you getting? Okay. So here, so this one is what? So you can say that a priori algorithm, it is always like a means it is not always means like it is analyze what? It analyze that the people who bought the product A, he or she will be bought that product what? Product B. Clear? Okay. So now the point is what? Now the point is what? Now the point is like how the a priori algorithm is what you already know. Clear? How the a priori algorithm will work you already know. But point is what? Here, what is the mathematical intuition part? Right? What is the mathematical intuition part behind the a priori algorithm? So first of all, we'll solve it and mathematically, and then after that we'll implement it practically. Right? We'll solve it mathematically and then we'll implement practically. That is the things. Okay. So now we will jump to that. First of all, we'll understand what? We'll understand that what is the formula, means like what is the component are there in the a priori algorithm. Now you already get that means from what is the source of that a priori algorithm, from where we will just get the name called a priori algorithm, and then you can say that what is the purpose, means like what is the use of the a priori algorithm. Clear? Okay. So now next point is what? Next point is component part. Okay. Component part. Okay. So what are the components of the a priori algorithm? Component here total. So if you're just looking for the component part, yes. So if you're just looking for the component part, so there is total three. Okay, three components are there. There is three components are there. Okay, so what are the three components? So one is what? So let me just write here. One is what? One is the support. Okay, next one is what? Next one is the confidence. And next one is what? Next one is the lift. Okay, don't worry. So I will explain each and everything. Okay, so first of all, let us understand. First of all, let us understand. So what is wait, my friend. Okay. Okay. So now, what is support? Okay. What is support? So we will first of all go through it. Support means what? So what we will just do in this part. So here, support is nothing but, so I have just created one notes to explain each and everything very clearly, so that you can just get clearly. Okay. So support means what? Support means here, I have created one notes. Okay. You can see. Okay. So here, now, okay, support means what? Support means it will be measure how frequently an item set, okay, how frequently an item set appear in the entire data set. Okay, so if I'm just confusing that item set, I will explain in that whenever just we will discuss all our example part, you will just get that one item set. But here just you can just write it also. Support, it measure the how frequently an item set appear in the entire data set. Okay, and then okay, frequently measure that item set, an item set entire data set, in entire data set. Okay, and then if we'll like talk about like formula. Okay, so how to calculate this one? Here formula is what? Formula is like you can say that number of transaction containing the item set. Means transaction, do you know? So if you'll just buy, okay, if you'll just buy that thing, so you have to pay the money. Okay, so whenever just you are going to big bazaar and you are buying some product, so what are just doing, you are just standing in the line and you are just giving like that whatever products you want to buy, and they will just scan that things. Okay, so they are just maintaining one database. So in that database, or in, so there is a whatever product you are just buying, so that will be fit in that. And so you will just give some money. Okay, so there is just some transaction going on in between you and that big bazaar customer, means like the seller part. Okay, so it means what? So here you have to just write the number of transaction, the number of transaction, the number of transaction containing the item set, containing the item set divided by the total number of transaction, total number of transaction. So this is the formula for the support. Clear? So now what about that confidence part then? What about the confidence part? Confidence measure the what? The strength of the implication rule. It means what? So if you just buy the product A, then you have to buy the product B. So it means what? So it will measure the what? It will measure this strength of the implication of the rule. So this one is the implication rule. So here confidence is equal to, means what? So if you'll just buy the A, then it will be buy the B. So it means what? So here you have to just write the support of A union B divided by, okay, support of A. Clear? Support of A. So this is the things. And now if we'll just go for the lift, okay, so what is the lift? Now, so lift, it will measure the strength of the association between the item in a rule relative to their individual occurrence. Means what? So how to just calculate this one? Support of A union B divided by, what will be happen? Here in the confidence only you are just dividing the support A, but here support of A multiplied support of B. Support of B. So here one thing you have to just remember. If let me just change the color. Okay, so if the lift value will be what? Greater than to 1. If the lift value is greater than to 1, you can say it indicates that higher likelihood, means higher, means that what? You can say it is shows whether the combination, what lift will be so. Lift will be so whether that combination of the product is better combination or not. If you are getting the value greater than 1, then that combination is better combination. You can say better combination. Better combination. And if it will be less than to 1, then you can say it is not a better combination. Not better combination. Clear? Not better combination. So this is all about what? The support, confidence, and lift. So if you want to, like, there is another point is what? So another point is what? You have to just calculate. So whenever the point, another point is coming, like you have to calculate that threshold part. So threshold is coming. Okay, so the threshold coming. So what is the threshold? What is the threshold? So how you will just calculate the threshold part? So here, so you have to just calculate if it will be given like in question. So you have to find that the minimum support is what? 40%. If the question will be given minimum support is 40%, minimum support is like a 50%. Sorry. So 40 divided by 100 multiplied total how many transactions are there? Number of transaction you can just write number of transactions. So you have to just calculate like this. Clear? You have to just calculate like this the threshold value. So this is all about the support, confidence, lift, and threshold. So I think you already get some idea related to this, right? So now next point is what? So we'll jump to that. Example. So let's solve this example. So how we'll just solve this example? Wait. So let me silent my phone. So it's disturbing me. Okay. So now, so here this one is one example. What is the example? So this is the transaction. Okay. This is a small data set. This is a transaction. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 4 transaction is there. Okay. So total 4 transaction is there. So here, so here, there is an item, means the people they are just buying the item. So what? So here one is like a A, B, C, where 3 item is there. This one is what? So this one is like a wait. Let me choose one color, best color. Okay. So 3, and this one is that 2 items is there, and 2 items is there, and 3 items is there. So these are the items. So one person is coming. So let assume I'm the person. I'm going to Big Bazaar. I'm just buying 3 items. One is the A item, B item, and 3 C item. Let assume A is the chips and B is the what? Like chocolate, and C is like something or else. Okay, you can say like a that Maggie. Okay. So these are the things. So similarly, you have to buy, you are just buying these things. So are you getting the data set? Okay. So these are the total transaction and these are the items. Okay. Transaction in the sense what? Total 4 person, they are just like what? Buying some product. Okay. So these items are the present here. Clear everyone? Good. So now next point is what? So how you will just calculate this one? So first of all we'll calculate what? The support. First of all we'll calculate what? Support. So how to just calculate the support? Okay. So while calculating the support, while calculating the support, so first of all you have to just go through that question very carefully. Okay. So first of all, minimum support is what? 50%. So how to just calculate the minimum support? So now, so here, so threshold is equal to what? The support is 50%. It means what? So here multiply total number of transaction. So now 50% means what? 50 by 100. How many transaction is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 transaction is there. Now what is the output? Yes, what is the output? So if we'll just code this one, okay, so the output is what? 2. The output is what? 2. It means what? The minimum threshold is what? The threshold value is what? 2. Now clear? The threshold value is what? 2. Now, so we already get the threshold value. Now let's go for what? Let's go for that finding out each item part. So now here, let's create one table. Let me create one table. Okay. So here, this one is the item and this one is the support. This one is the support, you can say. So here you can say item is the A is there. Okay. And B is also there. C is also there. Right. D is also there. E is also there. And F is also there. right? So here, how to just write it? How to just write it? Listen. So here, just tell me total how many times, okay, total how many person they buy the A product? How many person? A, the first transaction person also buy A, second person also buy A, third person also buy A. It means what? 3 person who buy that A product. It means what? The support is 3. Similarly, just tell me how many person they buy the B? 1, then 2, okay, and then 3, right? And then just try wait. So let me just connect the charger. Okay. So now, so here B is total how many times? 1 and 2. It means what? B is 2. Similarly, wait. Okay. These two. Similarly, C, what about C? 1, 2. Oh, so there is 2. Okay. D is what? D how many times? Only. Transaction 3 parts. So D is there. 1. So what about the E? E is only 1 time. So 1. So what about F? F is only 1 time. So 1. So now, so you already calculate the support part. Yes or no? You already calculate the support part, right? So now, here, what we have to do? What we have to do? So here, our threshold value is what? So our threshold value is 2. So if any product which means like if you want to like find out the support, if support is less than to 2, then we'll just what? We don't need that one. Okay, so you have to cut that one. That is not best thing. So here, like, so we want to just know which product is very demanding. Means like the person, they are just buying that product. So if the person will be buy that product, it's like okay, more person will buy one single product, so then I will just bring that product, okay, it's like a very bulk amount. All right, so here the support is helping to know that which product is like means like selling very bulk. Okay, so here threshold will be calculated that one. So here we'll just threshold is what? True. So it means what? So which one is like less than 2? So let us know. Let us know. So here this one is the less than 2. This one is the less than 2. This one is the less than 2. So you can go for the equal to 2 or more than, which is nothing but the at least 2, you can say. At least 2 means what? Either 2 or more than 2. At most means what? Either 2 or less than 2. Exactly 2 means what? So it will be 2 only. Have you cleared? So whenever just you are coming to the machine line field, so please before it you should know what is the probability and statistics part. So it means what? So now you already get that threshold part. And now also you know that. So before it you only know the what? The support formula. But right now you already know what is the support, how to just calculate the support. Clear everyone? Now maybe in your mind the question will become, sir, you are just saying that threshold is the 2 and you are just finding the best product here. So now similarly you are just saying that in the leap concept part. So what is that? So if you'll just get that greater than one value, so and that one is the best, and if we'll just get the less than one value, then that one is bad part, right? Here only I just explained. But point is what? So here I'm just talking about what? I'm just talking about only the best combinations, so if the chips and chocolate combinations, okay, they combination would be sell more, then the leap value will be what? The leap value will be more than or the greater than to 1. Greater than to 1. Clear? Greater than 1 we will get. So this is the point. Clear? This is the point. So now If you want the definition part, so like difference between threshold and lift, so I already written here. Threshold are the predetermined value used to filter or the select the association rule based on the predefined criteria, even support or confidence. But while the lift quantifies the strength of the association between the item in the rule or indicating how much their co-occurrence differs from what would be the expected if they are independent. Clear? So that is the point. So now I think you already get my point. You already get my point. Clear? Okay. Now, next point is what? Let's go for that. So this is all about the support for the single value. So let's go for the combination part. So what we just get? Yes. So let's write it. Let's write it. So here, so this is the item. So we already filter it, item, and this one is what? This one is the support. This one is the support. Okay, support. So here, item A and B and C, we are getting. So here, 3, 2, and 2. So this is selected. Now we'll create a combination. Now we'll just find the combination. Means what are the possible combinations? So here A, B will be there. And A, C will be there. And at the end, B, C will be there. Okay. How I'm just combining? A, B, A, C, then B, C. Sorry. So here, these are the combinations. So now we'll take that combination. Let's draw it. Sorry, guys. So item and support. So what is the item? So here item is what? One is the term. You can just write AB. Then AC. Then BC. Similarly, you can say here AB. So now go to AB. So AB is, so this person who just buy the combination of AB. It's not combination, two product he buy simultaneously. A and B. Transaction 1 is buy. Is there any other things? No. So it means what? Yes, it means what? For the AB, so there is a one transaction is done. Clear? Similarly, what about the AC? Yes, go for the AC part. So here transaction 1 is also by the A and C, and transaction B is also by the AC, and there is a note. Okay, so it means what? So total 2. So now go for the BC part. Yes, so transaction A is by the BC, and there is a no in transaction only B is there. So it means what? So there is a single one. So now just tell me. So we are getting threshold value is what? Yes, threshold value is the 2. So now just tell me which one will be select and which one will be deleted. Yes, so these two are the deleted right now, and this one will be selected. Clear, everyone? So now the selected part is written like this. The selected part can be written like this. So how? So A comma C is 2. Clear? So here, so if you want to just see the output, okay, if you want to just see the output, so here output is this table and this one. So now you can just ask, sir, you already just explained all about like what? All about like a threshold and confidence. Sorry, say threshold and support. Can you just talk about like a confidence part? Yes, listen. So here confidence is what? So here we have to find out the confidence of, let confidence of this. Confidence will always calculate here only. Then two combination, minimum two combination will be required. So here let's find out. So we are selected this A, C. So here we can just implication. So here, if you just buy the A, it's mandatory you have to buy the C. Okay, if you just buy the C product, then you have to buy the A product. So now we have to calculate that confidence part. We have to just calculate the confidence part. So here, what you have to do? So now just tell me. So here, A to C. So here A to C. AC is what? The support is what? 2. Similarly, okay, so how many times A is occur in first step? How many times the A product is, how many transactions the A just gets sold? So 3 times. So 2 by 3, which is what? The 60, 0.66. It means what? 66% will become. 66% will become. Yes or no? Similarly, can you just do this one? So AC is what? AC combination is what? So 2. So that's why 2. Again, go for that C part. So how many times the C is occur? So there is a 2 times. So it means what? 1 will become, which is nothing but the what? 100%. So just tell me. In this question, minimum confidence is what? 50%. So we have to select which combination, A to C or C to A. Means if you will buy the chips, then you have to buy the, means if you're just searching for the, in Amazon, you are searching for what? Searching for the chips. So in that chips, one combination is coming what? Let's assume the Maggie. Okay, or else like chocolate. Okay, you can just take some chocolate. Then there is a 66% chances there it will be same. But here confidence level will be changed. But here, if you'll just buy the chocolate, then there is a combination will be coming. And that person, the confidence level is what? 100. So minimum confidence level is what? 50%. Who is giving the best confidence level? This one, the 100%. Then which will be choose this? The choosing part is this part. Now clear? The output will become like this. Okay, the output will become like this. So first output will become 3, 2, 2. Similarly, this one will be, similarly, you will get like A is the 3, okay, B is the 2, then C is the 2, and then A, C is the 2. So likewise, the answer will become clear. So let's go for the practical implementation part. Let's go for the practical implementation part. So, or else, better it will be go for the practical implementation part. Okay, so how you will just practically implement that things? How you will just practical implement that things? Listen. So okay. So now let me share full screen. Let me share total full screen and let go for the practical session part. So now, next. So let's do it. So first of all, we have to import one from ITER tools, import. So it will combine what combination things it will be produced. Import combination. Clear? So let's execute this part. So let me just okay. Okay. So here, is it visible, guys? Yes. Is it visible? Okay. So now, okay. So see. So we successfully imported because of what? To combine means we will just find the combination part. So first of all, we will create that definition. So using the function, so we'll create what? Create that candidates. Okay. So here we have to create one candidates and the data will be there and some k value will be there. So now next one is what? So candidates, which will be what? It will be in list. Next one. Next one is what? So for transaction, in data, what? This one is the for transaction of the data and for item set. Which one is the item set? We are getting that in item set. What we are just getting? So A equal to this one, B is equal to this one, C is equal to this one, and AC is equal to this one. That one is the item set. So item set in the combinations, what? So transaction, comma K. Right? So now next point is what? If item set not in what? That candidates. So then what will be happen? Yes. So here candidates, okay, candidates dot append is equal to item set. So now next one is what? So at the end, what we have to do? At the end, we have to return what? Return the candidate. Okay. So this one is the things. So this is the things. Okay. Sorry for this. Okay. So now successfully executed. Now next one is what? So next again create one function. So let df support. Okay. So we'll count the support. What in the support? So data, then candidate. Okay. And then count is equal to 0. Count is equal to 0. And then for transaction, in data, if all, it's like a item in transaction for item in candidate. Each transaction item, so you have to count it. Wow. So count while writing the count plus equal to 1. Now next point is what? So you have to return it. So return count. Successfully executed. Now next point is what? Now use the a priori algorithm. So def means the help of that functions a priori, then data minimum support, which will be what? So item set equal to list. So now let me, okay. So next, so I have to give the k value, k equal to 1. And then using the while loop, while if it will be true, so the candidate is equal to what? So create candidates, create candidates. Okay, so while it will be true, create candidates data, comma. So now next one is what? Yes, next one is what? So frequent occurring item, frequent item sets, which is equal to what? This thing. So now similarly, so for candidate in candidates, so now support which will be equal to support count and data candidate. Now next one is what? So now we will just give the condition. What? So if support which will be greater than equal to mean. So mean support, do you know what is the mean support? That threshold part. If it will be greater than equal to mean support, so then frequent item sets dot append what? Candidate, comma, support. Clear? And next one is what? Okay, next one is what? So if not frequent item set, okay, item sets, then we have to break so item sets dot extend what? Frequent item sets. So then the k is equal to 1. And now next one is what? So we have to return the what? Item sets. Clear? So let execute it. Successfully executed. Now what is your data? So according to our previous data, okay, so what is our previous data? This one is the previous data. This one is the previous data. So this one is the previous data set. So here the data set we will create what? Own data set. What? So that A, then comma B, then comma C. Okay. So likewise, so 1. The next one is what? Yes. Next one is what? So A, then B. Okay. So likewise. So then what? So A, then next one is what? D. Okay. And the next one is what? So the B, then next the E, and the next the F. All right. So now this is our data set. So let write last things. What? So here, what is the minimum? What is our threshold? Yes, the threshold is what we are getting support in support, which is equal to 2. So threshold is the 2. So now the result is equal to a priori, okay, the data set, a priori data set, comma, minimum support. So here we have to print what? We have to print that frequent item set, right? Frequent item set. So now next point is what? So for item sets, support in a result. So now what? So we'll print if item set support and then okay, and then let's print it. So now see the output. Is it clear? Yes. Is it clear? So here the item set support 3, 3, 2 is there. So frequent item set is what? 3, 3, 2. So let's wait. So 3, 3, 2 is coming. Okay. So there is some error part is there. Okay. So let me just verify. Where is the error part? Some problem is there. So let me just fix it. Okay. So let me just fix it. Yes. So now see, yes. So are you getting? Practically, we'll just implement it. Now see, 3, 2, 2, 2. So A is equal to, yes, support is equal to what? 3. And B is equal to what? Support equal to 2. And C is equal to what? Support equal to 2. And AC is what? 2. So now see your output. Yes, now you see your output. What is your output? Yes. What is your output? 3, 2, 2, 2. Clear? Now I just what? Mathematically solve that one and practically I also did. Now it's your duty, like how to. So I'm just giving you one like a homework. Like you have to just find it. What? You have to just solve this one. This one is the data set, and that minimum support is 40% and the minimum confidence is 70%. Now you have to just manually solve it and you can just practically implement. Just try to practically implement. So I just already solved that one. You can just take that code as a reference. Okay, so you can just change, just small changes will be happened there. Okay, just like small change in the sense what you have to just whatever threshold you are getting, you have to just minimize that, means you have to just modify that threshold. And then in the data set, you have to just import this bread, butter, milk part. So because in that part, I just import the A, B, C. And whatever code is there, so all code are same. Clear, everyone? Is that clear? Okay. So now I think hope you cleared each and everything. So if you are having any doubts, okay, if you are having any doubts, so please you can just ask me in that comment box. And please do subscribe and comment and like and share. Okay, so if you're getting, okay, so if you're getting any new idea, so then you can do all these things. Okay, so if you know already, then no need to do all these things. Okay, so try to support me, and that's it. Okay, so if you're having, means like if you want to connect with me, and you can just go to the description part, you will just find that WhatsApp link. You can just join through it, and please don't call me that number. You can just directly like drop the message. Okay, so once you will just call, then you will means like permanently you will just blocked. Okay, so you will never connect with me. So that is the point. So please just try to like drop the message. So if I'm having any doubt, so once I will not respond to you, then there is some person who can just respond to you. Okay, so any of your friend, they will just respond to you. That's all. So uh that's all, friends. So please try to that solve that assignment part. So here the assignment. Okay, here is the assignment. So the total 5 transactions is there, and some items is there, frequently items are there. So you have to find out the support, and you have to find out that confidence level, and these are the things. Okay, and that's it. So if you'll not solve this, if you're unable to solve this problem, so you can just ask me. Okay, if you'll just do comment, so I will again just solve. Okay, minimum comment I just need like a 10 comment is sufficient for me. Okay, and minimum like is also need. Okay, so minimum like I need 30 likes. Okay, and then that's it. Then after that, then I will just respond. Okay, so I will just solve this one, and then after that also I will just practically implement these things too. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye. So we'll just meet in next video. Bye.